Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, welcome to my channel, but today I'm going to show you how to make this origami infinity going star. I don't know what it's called, but it's pretty cool. It's like the flexicon I'm going to teach soon. Also, there's a link posted in the description below for a video of my springy toy. Looks just like this. Doing, 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 doing. So that's this. Sorry about the clapping. So, yeah. Okay, let's get started. You're going to need a sheet of printer paper or A4 paper, some tape, and if you don't know how to use the tape, some scissors. Or you can use glue instead of tape. Okay, so let's get started. You're going to fold in half. And then take this edge and fold it to a crease. And now you're going to take the edge that you folded to the crease. And then you're going to either cut it, I'm going to rip it. Alright, so now you're going to take this part, the thin part, and now you're going to fold it in half. And now you're going to cut along the fold or rip along the fold. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in a bit. Now we're going to rip it up or cut it up. I'm going to need both sides. So, thanks. Okay, so now, sorry, it's a little messy, that's okay. We're going to need to this and fold it on. Then you're going to, this is where your tape or glue comes in. Just glue the two corners together. So here I'm going to use tape. With glue you just apply on the bottom. And then you're going to stick the top back on. So let's stick this on. And then flip it over. Okay, and then I'm going to stick this on. So it's like that. And now you're going to take the bottom. Fold it up. See, there's a bottom, there's a top. So just fold. Sorry about the footstep on that, and then the bottom one goes up. So you can do that for your whole part. I'm gonna go a bit faster. Okay, and I'm almost done. Okay, and now it's gonna look like this. Okay, next you're going to take a paper that I just stripped off of and rip off this piece. I'm gonna fold on the piece a few times. So, before we take the two sides together, you can't do it right now, but I recommend to just use two, like half your paper. Okay. And now you're going to fold in half. Repeat the creases a few times. Sorry. Now I'm gonna fold it, or rip it, or cut it. Okay, now we're going to attach these strips onto these. So get your tape or glue. Just glue down, then just tape it on there. Go on the bottom and tape it up. Ooh. Sorry, I'm gonna retry that. Okay, and then do the same thing on the other side. Okay, then tape this one. It's going to look like this. And then do the same thing you did before. Then, once you finish that, we can tape the two sides together. So, keep going. So we're almost done. Sorry about the footsteps. There's so much background noise. So let's keep going. Okay. Now fold this in. Fold this in. Then fold down this. So now it should look like this. And now you see it should look like this. And now we're able to tape the two sides together. But first, we're going to need to tape this. So it looks like that. Ta-da! Now, the last step we're going to do is we're going to tape the two sides together. So, take this, put it together. Oh, sorry. So first take out like the first flaps, these flaps, right? And then I'm just going to kind of tape them together. There, so it looks like that. You may want to make it look better though. So I'm gonna tape it again. Oh wait, let me just get this. Okay, actually, take that off. Get one. Ugh. I'm gonna retape it. Right. Over here. So look like that. And now you can just kind of hold it. This could be like, I don't know. It's like a stress reliever, I guess. Or just, I don't know, a fiddle toy. It's not really a fiddle toy, but here it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, and share this video with your best friends or pals. Thanks for watching. Bye!